Good morning and welcome to our last day in Salzburg. We're going to take a bit of inspiration from our walking tour from yesterday and visit a few places. So we're going to start though, there's a market apparently according to the guide from yesterday, and where they serve...
It's like a traditional Austrian, like
hot dog type
Frankfurt
yeah.
type thing. So we're going to go and have a look and see what's.
So we're going to go and
like.
hopefully have a bit of breakfast in the market. That's what we're after. Original traditional Bosnia as recommended by the tour guide yesterday.
Magic hot dogs.
Magic hot dog.
Magic. Magic.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, we found the traditional Bosnia hot
Oh,
dogs.
look at that. So
Apparently they're magic hot dogs because they've got the mustard and ketchup inside. We've got a blend of different seasonings on, and we've got onion.
27 different seasonings in his house. Spice.
And it's house spice with
Right, let's have a
onion,
look at them then. Let's have a look.
Let's get tucked in. Right, this
Right.
is what's inside it.
We have got some sort of mustard, raw onions, looks like a bit of greenery in there, parsley or something maybe, two sausages on a flatbread sort of toasted thing, and this spicy his magic
rub.
spice as he called it.
This spicy rub.
Yeah, so
Right.
let's
The only thing we're going to do now is eat it.
give it a go, shall we? Oh. How much were they?
€5.30. It's delicious.
If you come to Salzburg, make sure you try one of these. Bosnia. Thank you. Bosnia, fantastic. Thank you. So we also saw this magnificent building yesterday on the tour. So we're going to go and have a look inside. Not sure we'll be able to film in here, but we can go and have a look. So it looks like there's some kind of celebration of Hans Shabbos going on at the moment, which is why, according to this, there's lots of different coloured carpet on the floor. So just been in a lovely bakery for a coffee, but we couldn't resist. We couldn't resist the pastries, could we? So let's have a look what we got. Come on. What is it? Oh, it's like nuts, cinnamon, I think it is. Yes, look at that baby. Come on then.
You have to go for the double chocolate option of something or other. Of
Chocolate
course.
and nuts, apparently.
He is nuts. Is it nice? Good.
Of course it is.
There you go.
Not. Game of chess, anyone? Okay, onwards and upwards.
Yeah, we're going up the hill to catch the funicular up to the fortress.
Yep. There we go. There's the track for the funicular. Here we are. Let's see what we've got to do. Just missed one. You ready? Should we just do what we normally do and wander around aimlessly?
I don't know.
Oh, it's a bit windy up here. Come on then, up a bit more. Ooh. It's a big climb up here. You made it. God, there's some steps up here. I'm knackered. This is the tower. God. Must have been a million steps to get up here. Everybody up there is blowing out their arse. Blimey. You can see the airport from here.
That was the experience of the fortress.
The fortress, yeah, well worth an hour. How long we been there? About an hour, just over?
Just over.
It was,
never want to see another step again.
Yeah, you need a good set of lungs. What was it, 14.50 each? That's a funicular up and down and all round the fortress as well. So, well worth an hour and a half or something, yeah. So there we go. Let's get back round Salzburg. Go and get a drink somewhere, shall we?
I think we deserved it.
I think we need one after all those steps.